Out of the total monthly income of Rubina, she donated 20% of it and 800 was lost. Means out of the monthly income, 20% are donated. Means suppose monthly income are 100%. In that 20% donated. What is the remaining? 80%. 80% of monthly income. In that how much value are lost? 800. What is the remaining balance? 80% minus 800. 80% minus 800. That is the remaining balance. Okay. And one more. Out of the remaining amount. What is the remaining amount? 80% minus 800. In that 35% on food, 18% on clothing, 12% makeup, and 15% traveling, and saved 20%. All these are adding, it will be 100%. All these are adding how much percent? 100%. That 100% value is also equal to which? 80% minus 800. Yes, sir. First, what is the next point? Expenditure on cloth, makeup, and traveling together is how much? 7,200. Clothing is how much? 18%. Makeup 12%. And traveling 15%. Total 45%. Means 45% of this value equal to how many rupees? 7,200. What is the question here? What is the difference between the amounts spent on food, amount we saved? Food how much percent? 35%. Saving 20%. Difference 15%. 15% of which one? 80% minus 800. Okay, that is equal to how much? It is same value or different value? Same value. Left hand side 1/3, and right hand side also 1/3. What is the answer? 2,400. Without writing 80% minus 800, directly we are getting 45% 7,200. We required 15% value. Next question number 2. The distance between Vijayawada and Secunderabad is 600 kilometers. Two trains, Godavari and Janmabhoomi, started from Vijayawada and Secunderabad respectively at the same time towards each other. Means opposite direction or same direction? Opposite direction. Godavari covers 200% more distance than the Janmabhoomi before they meet. Means one compared to another one, 200% more distance. Suppose Godavari distance and Janmabhoomi distance. Suppose Janmabhoomi distance are one part, Godavari distance are three parts. Total how many parts? In opposite direction means sum of the distances. It is also equal to total distance. Total how many parts? 4 parts. Equal to how much? 600. What is the one part value? 150 kilometers. Three parts value? 450 kilometers. These are the distances of Godavari and Janmabhoomi. And one more point are given. If the speed of the Godavari is how much? 90 km per hour. Godavari speed 90 km per hour are given. We know the distance, we know the speed. Obviously, we are getting the timer. For the time of the Godavari, 5 hours. Godavari time 5 hours means they are meet. Starting time are same, meeting time are same means each one travel the same time or different time? Same time. First one 5 hours time means second one also 5 hours timer. But 5 hours how much distance are traveled? 150. Then per hour 30 kilometers. What is the question here? Speed of the Janmabhoomi. What is the answer? 30. Next question number 3. In triangle ABC, AD is the median on BC and EF are the points on the sides AB and AC such that D and DF are bisectors of angle ADB and angle ADC respectively. EF equal to how much? 12 centimeters. AE value 6 centimeters. BD also given 8 centimeters. What is the length of BL? First of all, triangle ABC. And one more, D is the median on BC. Means equal value of BD and DCF. Okay, what is the BD value? 8. CD value also 8. Next, AE, one more are given EFN points on AB and AC. Suppose here E point and here F pointer. Next, such that D and DF are bisectors of which one? Angle ADB. DE means this one. Next, DF. This is the, these are the bisectors means EF is parallel to which one? BCF. D is the bisector of AB and DF also bisector. Obviously, EF is parallel to which one? BCF. EF is parallel to which one? BC. EF is parallel to BC means then directly we return AE by AB, that is equal to F by EF by BCF. AE by AB. Next, EF by BCF. What the AE value are given? AE 6. We don't know the BE value. Suppose the BE value we are considered X. And one more, EF value is given how much? 12. Total EF value is how much? 12. Substitute the value, sir. Yes, sir. But the AE value 6. AB means 6 plus X are only 6. 6 plus X. EF value 12 by BC. BC how much? 16. Okay. 12 by 16 means 6 how many times? 2 times. 2 how many times? 8 times. 6 plus X equal to 8. Then X equal to 12. The key point here, EF is parallel to BC. Next question number 4. Mitchell invested 10,000 partially in scheme B, offering 20% compound interest in 20% compound interest compounded annually, and the rest in scheme Q, offering 18% simple interest. The amount invested in scheme Q is how much percent less or more than the amount invested in scheme B. Simply we required investment in scheme Q compared to scheme P. How much percent less or more? And if the total interest earned by the Mitchell after 3 years from both the schemes together is how much? 6152. That is total interest on both the schemes. We know the total principal, we know the total interest. But how many years? 3 years. Okay. Either equation method are using or allegation method or reverse method also possible. In reverse method, if we required principal of scheme Q, then which one data we are taking? P data. Principal of scheme Q means which one data we are taking? P data. What the P data was 20%. How many years? 3 years. 20% for 3 years. Compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest. 20% for 3 years. What is the compound interest? 72.8%. 20, 20, again 20, 120, 144, 172.8, 100, 120, 144, 172.8. Customer could take principal in scheme P we required. Principal of scheme P means which one data we are taking? Scheme Q data, Q data percent, 18%. Simple or compound? Simple. 18% for 3 years means 54%. 54% of which one? 10,000 means what is the interest value? 5,400. What the actual interest are getting? 6152. 6152. What the interest difference? 52, 752. That is interest difference. Percentage difference. One case interest are 72.8%. Another case interest are 54%. What is the interest difference in percentage? 18.8%. That 18.8% equal to how many rupees? 752. Compared to rupees, 752 more getting. Value percentage wise, how much percent are more getting? 18.8%. Then we are getting the 100% value. 2 is to 3. How many parts are there? 1 part. 1 upon which one? 2. Multiplied by 100. What is the percentage? 50%. Next question number 5. The side of an equilateral triangle is 4 root 3 centimeters. If O is any point inside of the triangle, which is 1 plus root 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters away from two sides, then what is the distance of O from third side? And here equilateral triangle are given. ABC. Suppose ABC is a equilateral triangle. All the three sides are equal or different? Equal. And what is the side value are given? 4 root 3 centimeters. And O is any point inside of the triangle. Any point. Suppose you have taken point O. O is any point inside the triangle. And which is 1 plus root 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters away from the two sides. Means from AB side, from BC side, or from AB side how much? 1 plus root 3 centimeters. From BC side 2 centimeters. And we required which one? Find the distance of O from third side. Means we required third side distance. Means we required this value. This type of questions we written directly. A means side of a equal triangular. That is equal to 2 by root 3 into P1 plus P2 plus P3. P1 plus P2 plus P3. P1 means first AB side distance is how much? 1 plus root 3. But the BC side distance 2 centimeters. P3 nothing but AC side distance. And what is the P1 value? 1 plus root 3. What is the P2 value? 2 centimeters. We required which P3 value? Okay. And we know the A value. What is the A value are given? 4 root 3. That is equal to 2 by root 3 into P1 is given how much? 1 plus root 3. P2 value 2 plus P3. Simplify this one. We are getting the P3 value. 2 how many times? 2 times. Root 3 into root 3. 3. 3 to the 6. 6 minus 2. 4. 4 minus 1. 3. 3 minus root 3. Then P3 equal to how much? 3 minus root 3. Actually, right hand side bracket 3 plus root 3. It will become left hand side 6 minus 3 minus root 3. Means answer will be 3 minus root 3. Sixth one. The smallest among the root 5, root 7, 3 root 7, 4 root 12 and 6 root 15. First of all, this one we written root 5 means we written 5 power how much? 1 by 2. Cube root of 7 means 7 power 1 by 3. Next 4th root of 12 means 12 power 1 by 6th root of 15 means 15 power 1 by 6. Okay. First equate the powers. Sorry. Take the LCM of powers denominator. What are the powers denominator? 2, 3, 4, 6. LCM 12. First one 1 by 2 of 12. How much? 6. 5 power 6. Second one 7 power 4. Third one 12 power 3. 15 power 2. Which one is the smallest one? 15 square. 1 by 2 into 12. Nothing but 6. 1 by 3 into 12. 4. 1 by 4 into 12. 3. 1 by 6 into 12. 2. 5 power 6 means more value. 7 power 4 also more value. 12 cube more value. 15 square only 3 digit number. Compared to 15 square, remaining 3 values are more values because all are in 4 digits values. Next answer 6 root 15. Next 7th question. Venkat has 120 liters of milk and 75 liters of water in 2 separate containers. He took out of 75% of milk and 40% of water. and mixed them in a tank which contains mixture of milk and water in the ratio of 3:2. Means already tank contains mixture of milk and water in which ratio? 3:2. And such that the ratio of the milk and water in the resultant mixture after adding 75% of milk and 40% of water, and it is added to which one? 3:2 ratio. After adding, the ratio becomes how much? 12:5. What is the question here? What is the total quantity of milk in the resultant mixture? First of all, initial milk is how much? 120. In that, how much percent are taken? 75%. So the 75% of 120, 90. Okay. Next, out of 75 liters of water, how much percent are taken? 40%. The 40% of 75, 30. Water 30 liters are taken. Okay. From first level, 90 liters of milk and 30 liters of water are taken. It is added to which one? 3:2 ratio of milk and water. Milk, how many parts? 3 parts. Water is 2 parts. 90 is milk. 3 parts also milk. Adding or subtracting? Adding. 30 is the water. 2 parts also water. Adding. If these two are mixing, we are getting the new mixture. What is the new mixture ratio? 12:5. 12:5. Simplify this one. We are getting the 1 part value. For the right hand side, 12/5. Suppose I written 120/50. 3 parts is how much? 30. 2 parts? 30. Satisfied? Means 1 part is how much? 10. What is the question? Total quantity of milk in the resultant solution. What is the answer? 120. 120 liters or 120? Next. Or else answer must be multiple of 12 or many options. First option, fourth option. Verify those 2 options. Next question number 8. Can I skip the question? Next, 9th one. 8th one మాట్లాడాలా skip చేయాలా? Skip. Next, 9th one. Question number 9. Study the data and answer the following questions. Years from 2001 to 2006 are given. Increased percentage less than -20 plus 25 so on are given. The data regarding the percentage change of the population in a particular town from 2001 to 2006 shown. Okay. And here, what is the question? The difference between the population of the year 2002 and 2003 is given X. If the population in the year 2000 is 65,000, what is the question here? Find the value of X. 2001 value increased how much? 10%. 2002, 20% decrease. 2003, 25% decrease. Means all are in compared to previous year or next year? Previous year. 2001 previous year means 2000. Sir, 2000. In 2000, what the population are given? 65,000. 65,000 I consider 100%. At 65,000 I consider 100%. 2000 population is how much? 100%. 2001 population 110%. Next, from 2001 to 2002, how much percent are decreasing? 20%. 20% are 110. 22. Subtracting 88%. Compared to previous year or next year? Previous year. 2003 compared to 2002, how much percent are increasing? 25%. 25% of 88. 22. 88 plus 22. 110%. 100% is increased by 10%. 110%, how much percent are decreasing? 20%. Again, 88%, how much percent are increasing? 25%. What is the 2002 population? 88%. 2003 population 110%. What is the difference? 22%. Means we required 22% value. And already we know the 100% value is how much? 65,000. We required 22%. Means 22% of which value we need? 65,000. 22 is 11 multiple. First option 11 multiple. No. Second option. Yes. Third option. No. Fourth option. No. An answer 14,300. 20% plus 2%, 20%, 13,000. 2%, 1,300. Total it is 14,300. Next question number 10. The market price of an article is almost 5,000, but due to festival offered a certain percent discount is declared. Mr. A availed this opportunity and bought the article at a reduced price. He then sold it to 5,800 and made a profit of how much? 45%. Sold it 5,800 means including profit, but the profit percentage are 45%. What is the question here? Find the difference between the percentage of discount allowed and profit made. Means we require the difference between percentage of discount and profit percentage. Okay. First, what is the market price already given? 5,000. Market price is 5,000. And one more point are given. The same article is sold at how many rupees? 5,800. But you are getting a profit of 45%. 45%. 45% profit means selling price is 145%. Then we are getting the 100% value. Okay. What is the 145% value? 5,800. Then we are getting the 100% means that the 100% value cost price or selling price? Cost price. That is cost price of the person. The same cost price. It is also equal to after discount value of a market price. Sir, out of the market price, some discount are offered. After discount, it will become actually selling price. But here, after discount, here that value are equal to which one? Cost price of the same article or different article? Same article means cost price. It is also equal to written market price minus discount. In this particular case, market price minus discount, that is equal to which one? Cost price. And 145, 29 how many times? 5 times. 29, 200 times. 20,000 by 5 means how much? 4,000. 4,000 is cost price or selling price? Cost price. Already we know the market price, but the market price value 5,000 means discount is how many rupees are offered? 1,000 rupees. Discount is how much? 1,000. What is the question here? Difference between percentage of discount. First discount is how much? 1,000 upon which 5,000. 1,000 by 5,000 multiplied by 100. We are getting how much? 20%. Discount percent 20%. What is the question? Difference between discount and profit. Already we know the profit percent is how much? 45%. Discount percentage 20%. Difference is 25%. We know the profit value. What is the profit percent? 45. We know the discount value. What is the discount percent? 20%. Difference is how much? 25%. Next question number 11. The outer radius and thickness of a hollow cylindrical pipe is 14 centimeters and 2 centimeters. And if the surface area of the pipe is 13,728 by 7 centimeters square. Of the pipe, required height of the pipe, and here hollow cylindrical pipe. One is inner diagram, another one outer diagram. One is inner pipe, another one outer pipe. Outer pipe means including thickness or without thickness? Including thickness. Inner pipe means without thickness. Simply we are saying outer pipe means including thickness and inner pipe means without thickness. What is the radius of inner one? Small r. What is the radius of outer one? Capital R. Okay. What is the capital R value? 14 are given, and thickness everywhere is how many centimeters? 2 centimeters. Means everywhere thickness value is how much? 2 centimeters. Means the 2 centimeters is the thickness value. Obviously small r value is how much? 12 centimeters. capital R is small r plus 12. Capital R equal to be written R plus 2 or R minus 2? R plus 2. Then R value is how much? 12. We know the small r value and we know the capital R value. And what is the question here? Height of the pipe. We required which one? Height of the pipe. Either outer one or inner one. Both the cases height will be same or different? Same. Means we required H value. Okay. What is the question here? If the surface area of the hollow sphere. Directly we written formula. What is the formula we written? 2 pi h. It is not cylinder, it is hollow cylinder. 2 pi h into capital R plus small r. 2 pi r h. Which one curved surface? 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Outer one or inner one? 2 pi r h. Inner one. These two are adding. We are getting the total surface area of a hollow cylinder. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r h. Which one are common? 2 pi h common. Remaining one r plus r. That is equal to which one? 13728 divided by 7. Substitute the values. We are getting the h value. 2 pi means written 44 by 7 into h. What is the capital R? 14. Small r 12. Total it is 26. That is equal to 13728 by 7. 7 cancel. 26 5 how much? 130. What is the remaining? 72. How many times? 2 times 52 complete. What is the remaining? 208. Almost 8 times 44. 1 time. Again 2 times and h equal to how much? 12. Next question number 12. Twelfth question. A reduction of 11, 13 by 70% in the price of an item enables a person to buy 3.5 kgs more for 357. What is the actual bill amount? 357. In that, how much percent the reduction is given? 11, 13 by 70%. But he getting how many kgs are extra? 3.5 kgs. What is the question here? Reduce the price of the item per kg and number of kgs per kg. First of all, 11, 13 by 17% converted to fraction. 2 by 17. What is the meaning? Actual price 17 parts. In that, how many parts are reduced? 2 parts. 17 parts is given how much? 357. Every 1 part is how much? 21. Then 2 parts is how much? 42 rupees. Because 17 parts value 357 rupees, then 2 parts value 42 rupees. Means out of 357 rupees, how many rupees are reduction is given? 42 rupees. In that 42 rupees, how many kgs are extra purchased? 3.5. Actually, reduced amount 42 rupees means that 42 rupees is written amount. How many rupees are written? 42. The same 42 rupees, again how many kgs are extra purchased? 3.5. 42 rupees, how many kgs are purchased? 3.5 kgs. But we required which one? Per kg value after reduction or before reduction? After reduction. 3.5 kgs double 7 kgs. 7 kgs how many rupees? 84. Right hand side double means left hand side also double. 8 kgs, sorry, 7 kgs, 84. Per kg value 12 rupees. Actual reduced price kada adigindi. After reduction actual price kanukovalante out of 17 parts how many parts are reduced? 2 parts. Means actual price is how many parts? 15 parts. Wrong. Wait. 17 parts is how many rupees? 357. What the per kg value after reduction? 12 rupees. Before the reduction. For the 1 kg after reduction, 12 rupees. Required, suppose if you required before reduction, already question is completed. Suppose before reduction are given. What is the price ratio? 17:15 and then weight ratio 15:17 and how many parts are increasing? 2 parts. 2 parts how many kgs? 3.5 kgs. Then 15 parts how many kgs? 15 into 3 and half into 2, sorry, divide by 2. 15 3 is how much? 45. 15 into half, 7.5. Total it is 52.5 by 12. That is 52.5 kgs. 52.5 by 2 kgs. That 52.5 kgs by 2 kgs value equal to how many rupees? 357. Required which one? 1 kg value. Yes sir. 17 how many times? 3 times 525. 17 cancel? No. 15 7 possible. 7 how many times? 7 times 0.5. 7 how many times? 51. Okay. And 3 how many times? 2 and half. 3 how many times? 17 times. 17 times. 2 and half by 2 means we return 2 and half kgs value is how many rupees? 2 and half kgs 34 rupees. 2 and half kgs 34 rupees means what is the 5 kgs value? 68. 5 kgs 68 means what is the 1 kg? 68 by 5. 68 by 5 means it is 13.6. 13.6. 2 and half kgs 34 rupees. 5 kgs value 68. What is the 1 kg value? 13.6 rupees. Next question number 13. Anyone need? Skip. Next question number 14. In the given figure, x is to y equal to 7 is to 8 and supplementary angle x is 12 degrees more than the half of the 8, then the value of z. Okay. First of all, angle y and angle z. Opposite angles, sum will be how much? 180 means y plus z it is equal to how many degrees? 180 degrees. Yes sir. Parallel sides, opposite angle, sum is how much? 180. And one more, supplementary angle of x is 12 degrees more than half of 8. What is the supplementary angle of x? 180 minus x, that is equal to 12 degrees more than the half of it. Half of it means x by 2. Compared to x by 2, how many degrees are it? 12 more. Simplify this one, we are get the x value. Okay. Right hand side 12, it will become left hand side minus 12. 180 minus 12, 168. Negative x becomes positive x. Total it is 3x by 2. 3x by 2 equal to how much? 168. 3 how many times? 5, 6. Then x equal to how much? 112. X value 112. But x is represents how many parts? 7 parts. 7 parts are 112 means what is the 1 part value? 16. Y is how many parts? 8 parts. What is the 8 parts value? 128. Y is how many degrees? 128. Y plus z 180 means z must be 52 degrees. We know the x value. X is how many parts? 7 parts. 7 parts are 112. Then y value 8 parts. 8 parts is 128. Y 128 means z is 52. Question number 14. Two guns fired from the same place at an interval of 11 minutes. A person approaching the place observes that 10 minutes 52 seconds have elapsed between hearing of the sound of two guns or only one? Two guns. If the velocity of the sound is 330 meter per second, and the man was approaching that place at what speed approximately in kilometer per hour. Okay. Sound speed are more or man speed are more? Speed are more means time must be less. Sound time is less than the man timer. Okay. Man, how much time are taken? 10 minutes 52 seconds. Sir. Yes, sir. Next, what is the interval of two guns fired? 11 minutes. Means sound is traveled 11 minutes or 11 and 10 minutes 52 seconds difference. For the first time and second time. For the interval time difference, 11 minutes. But person first hearing to second hearing, for the time difference, 10 minutes 52 seconds. Means person how much time are travel? 10 minutes 52 seconds. But sound, how much time are it will be travel the same distance? Only 8 seconds. For the first time, we don't know. 10 a.m. Suppose first time 10 a.m. Second time 10, 11 a.m. Okay. But from first hearing position to second hearing position, person how much time are taking? 10 minutes 52 seconds. But sound how much time are the same distance are traveling? Only 8 seconds. Or the in between time of 11 minutes and 10 minutes 52 seconds. 8 seconds, sir. That 8 seconds only sound travels, sir. Sound travels how many seconds? 8 seconds. But person traveled how many seconds? 10 minutes 52 seconds. But both are covered equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. Suppose first hearing position are point A, second hearing position are point B. These distance covered by person, how much time are taken? 10 minutes 52 seconds. Sir. But gun for the first time and second time, how much time are taken? Only 8 seconds are traveled. Okay, don't say 11 minutes. But 11 minutes is firing, firing difference, not sound difference. Okay, sound traveled how many seconds? 8 seconds. But person traveled 10 minutes 52 seconds. 10 minutes 52 seconds. Both are covered equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. Sound from point A to B. Person from point A to B. Equal distance or different distance? Equal distance. What is the sound speed? 330 meter per second. But it is traveled how many seconds? 8 seconds. That is equal to person speed. Person speed I consider yes. Into person how much time are traveled? 10 minutes 52 seconds. Left hand side already written seconds means right hand side also written seconds. 10 minutes 52 seconds. It is 652 seconds. 652 seconds. Left hand side speed into time, right hand side also speed into time. So we are getting the speed of the person. S equal to 330 into 8 divided by 652. We are getting the answer meter per second or kilometer per hour? Meter per second. But here question is kilometer per hour multiplied by 18 by 5. Okay. Simplify this one. We are getting the 14 something are getting 14, 7, 8 something are getting. Approximately we return 15. Simplify చేసి చెప్పాలా? Approximately 14.78 or something are getting. Overall we return approximately how much? 15. Required approximate value or exact value? Approximate. 330, 652. It is almost double. Yes, sir. If it is 2 times are considered. 2 how many times? 8. 4 times. 4 into 8. 72. 72 by 5. Almost 14 times, sir. Nearby 14 times value. Only one option. Okay. Next question number 16. This model are important. Regular question in SSC. అది స్థాయిలో ఉంటే ఎస్ఎస్సి సిజే లైన్ తీసుకున్నా, సిఎస్ఎల్ తీసుకున్నా, ఎంటీఎస్ తీసుకున్నా. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 16. Root 18 plus 6 by root 2 plus 2 plus square root of a minus 2 root b equal to 8 minus root 12. What is the question here? What is the value of a plus b? Means definitely we know the individual values of a comma b. First, root 18 means we return 3 root 12, 3 root 2. Numerator, what is the common value? Root 18 means 9 into 2. Square root of 9 into 2 means it is 3 root 12. Which one are common? 3 common. 3 common means numerator we return root 2 plus 2 by root 2 plus 12. This one are cancelled. Okay? Means this total value we are getting how much? 3. This total value we are getting 3. Left hand side it is plus 3. It will become right hand side minus 3. 8 minus 3 or 8 plus 3? 8 minus 3. What is the remaining value? 5. 5 minus root 2. But left hand side square root, it will become right hand side square. That is equal to a minus 2 root b. Okay. A minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. What is the 5 square? 25. What is the root 2 square? 2. Root 2 square 2 and 2 into root 2 into 5 minus 10 root 12. Okay, then a minus 2 root b, it is equal to 27 minus 10 root 12. Okay, what is the a value? 27. 10 root 2 means again we return 2 into 5, 5 to the 10 means we return 2 into 5 or 5, it will become root means 5 square of 25, 25 to the 50, either 2 root 50 or 10 root 2, both are in same or different? Same, means a minus 2 root b, it is equal to how much? 27 minus 2 root 50. What is the a value? 27. Then b value 50. What is the question here? Sum of the a plus b. What is the a plus b value? 77. The sum of the ages of Suresh family members is 84. But members are given or not given? Not given. Sum of the ages of Suresh family members is how much? 84. Currently there are 4 members: Suresh, Ram, Suraj and Tanuj. Means 4 members sum is given how much? 84. Suresh, Ram, Suraj is 4 years older than which one? Suresh. And Tanuj is 15 years younger than Suresh. If Suresh is 2.5 times of which one? Tanuj. What is the question here? Find the age of Ram. Suresh is 2.5 times of Tanuj. Suppose Tanuj I consider 2 parts. Tanuj are 2 parts. Then Suresh is how many parts? 5 parts. And one more. Tanuj is 15 years younger than which one? Suresh. How many parts are different? 3 parts. 3 parts are 15. 1 part 5. 2 parts 10. 5 parts 25. Next, Suraj is 4 years older than which one? Suresh. Then Suraj is how many years? 4 years older, means 29. What is the question here? Find the age of Ram. 10 plus 25 plus 29. Total it is 64. 64 or 54? 64. Already we know the sum of the 4 persons 84. Out of 84 we are subtracting 64. What is the remaining? 20. The 20 are Ram major. Next question number 18. 165 workers can do a piece of work in how many days? N days. On first day 1 person are working. On the second day 2 persons are joins in. On the third day 3 persons are joins, and this process continues till the work is completed. If the number of workers worked on nth day is y. Then what is the difference between the n and y? Okay. First of all, 165 workers can do a piece of work in how many days? N days. On the first day, only one person are working, but on the second day, two persons are join him. Means second day, how many persons? Three persons. But third day, how many persons are joined? Three persons. Already second day, three plus three. Total six persons. Means third day, how many persons? Six persons are working. Okay. On first, actually 165% can do the whole work in 10 days. When in 2 days, it will be worker. Same work it is equal to, on first day, how many persons are working? Only one person. One person, 1 day. Next, second day, how many persons? Three persons. How many days are working? 1 day. Next, third day, how many persons? Six persons. How many days? 1 day. Next day, 10 persons. 10 persons, how many days? 1 day. So on 15, how many days? 1 day. Next, 21 into 1. So on nth day, how many persons are working? On nth day, how many persons? 5 persons are nth day. Nth day means nth day, how many persons are working? 5 persons are. Okay. Left hand side n is unknown, right hand side also n is unknown. Suppose just normal procedure మాట్లాడుకుందాం. It is 10 days work అనుకుందాం. n value suppose 10 గా కన్సిడర్ చేద్దాం. ఇలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలంటే టైం పడుతుంది. Because first value how much? 1, second 3, next 6, next 10, so on n days. But on nth day, how many persons? 5 days. క్వశ్చన్ అర్థం కావడానికి కాన్సెప్ట్ మాత్రమే చెప్తాను, సింప్లిఫై చేసి చెప్పట్లేదు. ఓకేనా? నార్మల్గా చాలా టైం టేకెన్ ప్రాసెస్ ఉంది. సపోజ్ n వాల్యూ 10 తీసుకుంటే 165 ఇంటూ హౌ మచ్? 10. లేదు 40 తీసుకున్నాం. 40 తీసుకుంటే 40 డేస్ రాయాల్సి వస్తుంది రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. అర్థమవుతుందా? అదే 5 డేస్ తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, n వాల్యూ 5 తీసుకుంటే 165 ఇంటూ 5. First day 1 into 1, second day 3 into 1, third day 6 into 1, next 10 into 1, next one 15 into 1. అంటే y వాల్యూ ఎంత రాసుకోవచ్చు? 15. n వాల్యూ ఎంత తీసుకున్నాం? y వాల్యూ 15. డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 10 డిఫరెన్స్ వచ్చినప్పుడు, if difference are 10, difference is 10, what is the n value? 5, y value 15. What is the question? Difference between n and y. Options lo difference ఏముందో చూడండి ఒకసారి. ఆన్సర్ ఏముంది? 36 or 21? 36. అంటే డిఫరెన్స్ 36 రావాలంటే వాల్యూస్ ఏమి ఉండాలి? ఓకేనా? 36 డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే 1 will be how many days? 1 is n value, another one y value. 5, 15. Difference is how much? 10. Difference 10 రావాలి అంటే y n value 5, y value 15. అదే డిఫరెన్స్ 36 రావాలంటే n values 18 and y value 54. అర్థమైంది అనుకుంటా. హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద 10, 5. 10 and 15, 2:3 ratio. Yes sir. 10 and 5 means 2:1 ratio. 10 and 15 means 2:3 ratio. And it is also same or different? Same. 36 and 18, 2:1 ratio. 36 and 54, 2:3 ratio. Means n must be 18, y must be 54. నార్మల్గా సాల్వ్ చేస్తే టైం పడుతుంది. ఎజంప్షన్ తీసుకొని చేయొచ్చు. హౌ మెనీ డేస్ విల్ టేక్? 18 days. ఓకే, ఎజంప్షన్ మాత్రమే తీసుకున్నాను. 10 ఎజంప్షన్ తీసుకుంటే వీఆర్ గెట్ ద n వాల్యూ 5 తీసుకుంటే డిఫరెన్స్ వీఆర్ గెట్ ద 10. If n value are 18, difference is how much? 36. If n value 18 means obviously y value 54. Answer 36. ఆన్సర్ తెలియకపోతే ఎజంప్షన్ ఎందుకు మాట్లాడినంటే ఏదన్నా ఒక వాల్యూ, సపోజ్ n వాల్యూ నేను 20 తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి, n వాల్యూ 20 తీసుకుంటే అప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ ఏదో ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది కదా, డిఫరెన్స్ వస్తుంది. అంటే 20కి ఏదైతే రిలేషన్ వచ్చిందో ఎనదర్ ఆప్షన్ కూడా సేమ్ రిలేషన్ రావాలి కదా. అలా ఆప్షన్ తీసుకుంటే ఒకే ఆప్షన్ సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తుంది చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 21. డిఫరెన్స్ 21 అన్నప్పుడు 10 డిఫరెన్స్ అయితే మనం ఏం రాసాము? 5:15. ఇప్పుడు డిఫరెన్స్ 21 కదా, రేషియో ఎంత రాయాలి? పాయింట్స్ లో వస్తుందా లేదా? ఆఫ్ ద 21 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? 10.5. అదులు అవుతుందా? నెక్స్ట్ 45 తీసుకుంటే హాఫ్ వస్తుంది, అంటే 22.5. 28 తీసుకుంటే 14 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ 3:2 రేషియో కదా, 3:2 రేషియో అంటే 20:42. బట్ 14 and 42 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 28. అంటే ఇది కూడా వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. అండి 14 days n వాల్యూ 14, y వాల్యూ 42. అంటే ఇది కూడా పాసిబిలిటీ అవ్వచ్చు, కానీ వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుందా లేదా? 4 ఆప్షన్స్ ఆల్రెడీ 2 ఎలిమినేట్ చేసాము, ఇంకా రిమైనింగ్ 2 ఉంది. ఇంకోటి నియరెస్ట్ వాల్యూస్ కదా, 18, 14, 54, 42 ఆల్మోస్ట్ నియర్ బై వాల్యూ దగ్గరలోనే ఉన్నాయి కదా. ఓకే, ప్రొసీజర్ వైజ్ అయితే లాంగ్ ప్రొసీజర్ అవుతుంది. వెరిఫికేషన్ చేయండి, ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది. 2 ఆప్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఏదన్నా ఒకటి మాత్రమే అవుతుంది. బికాజ్ హౌ మెనీ అన్నోన్స్? 2 unknowns are left hand side any is unknown, right hand side also n value unknown. 1 plus 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 15 so on n down sir. Next question number 19. There are 3 positive numbers. Half of the average of all the 3 numbers is 11 less than the value of the highest number or lowest number. Highest number. Average of the lowest and second lowest number is 19.5. What is the largest number? Suppose 3 numbers I consider A, B, C. A is the largest number, B is the second largest, C is the smallest number. A is the largest number, B is the second largest, C is the smallest number. Half of the average of all the 3 numbers is 11 less than the value of highest number. Half of the average of 3 numbers means A plus B plus C by 3. One more condition argument. Average of the lowest number and second lowest number is how much? 19.5. Means B plus C average 19.5. What is some value? 39. Means B plus C already given 39. Written A plus 39 by 3. It is equal to 11 less than the highest number. A compared to A, 11 lesser. Okay, simplify this one. We are getting the A value. Left hand side denominator 6, it will become right hand side into 6. 6A minus 66. That is equal to A plus 39. Then 5A equal to how much? 105. A value 21. That is the largest number or smallest number? Largest number. Next question number 20. X is the largest 4-digit number which when divided by 12, 9, 15 leaves a remainder 10, 7 and 13 respectively. What is the remainder when X is divided by 11? First, what are the numbers are given? 12, 9, 15. What is the LCM? 180. LCM is how much? 180. 12 into 15, 180. But 180 is exactly divided by 9. means LCM value 180. But here largest 4-digit number or smallest 4-digit? Largest 4-digit number. What is the largest 4-digit number? 99. It is exactly divisible by 180. 9,999. It is exactly divisible by 180. No. We are getting some remainder. Okay. First 180 5 times how much? 900. What is the remaining value? 99. Again we return 990. Again how many times? 5 times. Remainder 99. Every case we are getting the remainder is how much? 99. Means out of 9,999 we are getting the remainder in how much? 99. Means how much value are exactly divisible? 9,900. We are getting the remainder 99 means up to how much value are exactly divisible? 9,900. That is greatest 4-digit number divisible by 12, 9, 15, and one more condition are given. Every case remainder 10, 7, 13 respectively, including remainder. Sorry, 9,900 it is exactly divisible by given numbers, but here every case remainders are given 10, 7, 13. When it is divided by 12, we are getting the remainder 10. When it is divided by 9, we are getting the remainder 7. When it is divided by 15, we are getting the remainder 13. What is the difference between divisor and remainder? 12 and 10 difference 2. 9 and 7 2. 15 and 13 2. If you are subtracting, remainder we are getting the 10 means we are adding 2. It is exactly divisible by 12. For the remainder we are getting 10. If we are adding 2, it is exactly divisible by 12. For the remainder we are getting second case 7. If we are adding 2, it is exactly divisible by 9. For the remainder in third case 13. If we are adding 2, it is exactly divisible by 15. If we are adding 2, it is exactly divisible. If we are subtracting 2, we are getting the different remainders or same remainders. Different. 9,900 it is exactly divisible by given numbers. We are subtracting 2, we are getting the different remainders or same remainders. Different. What is the value? 9, 8, 9, 8. Okay, that 9898 it is divided by 12. We are getting the remainder 10. 9898 it is divided by 9. We are getting the remainder 7. 9898 it is divided by 50. We are getting the remainder 13. And one more, the same value it is equal to x value. What is the question here? What is the remainder when x is divided by 11? Means 9898 it is divided by 11. How much remainder we are getting? 11 8 88. What is the remaining? 109. Again 11 9 99. What is the remaining? 108. 108 means 11 9 99. What is the remaining? 9. When 9898 it is divided by 11, we are getting the remainder 9. What is the answer? 9. Actually, the